This is how to verify your PayPal account in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the PayPal website or the PayPal app on your phone and sign into your account. If you're using the website, go to the top menu and click Pay and Get Paid. Under the Wallet section, select Banks and Cards. Here you'll see your linked payment methods. In South Africa, PayPal can only be verified by linking a debit or credit card, not a bank. Click Link a new card, then enter your card details exactly as they appear with your bank. If you're using the PayPal mobile app, the process is very similar. On the home screen, look at the bottom of the page and tap Wallet. It's on the bottom right, just to the right of the middle Send or Receive icon. Once you're in the Wallet section, tap Link a card and enter your debit or credit card details to continue. After you've linked your card, PayPal will make a small verification charge, usually less than 20 Rand, which will later be refunded. Next, check your bank statement or SMS alert for a 4-digit code next to the PayPal transaction. Go back to PayPal, open the Banks and Cards section again, select the card you just linked and enter that 4-digit code to confirm. Once the code is entered, your PayPal account will automatically show as verified. And that's it. That's how you verify your PayPal account in South Africa. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful banking guides just like this.